discussed and we have started noun, and introductory information I have given to you all about noun and all the exercise we have completed. Now we are going to start unit number 2, that is also about noun, but here in this unit we'll discuss about the singular and plural noun, how to make a word singular and how to make a word plural. That is described in this unit 2. So first I will give you definition. So how to use numbers, means when to use as and es to make noun singular or plural. So how to use? So first what will we see in this unit? So it is about singular and plural, means words are found in two forms, that is singular and plural. See, the definition of nouns now you have, means which word is considered as proper noun, which word is considered as common noun, that you all know. But now how to make that noun singular? In singular we are talking about only one person, one place and one thing. That is called singular. While in plural we talk about more than one person, place or thing. Means in singular you will find only one thing, place and person, while on the other hand in plural you will find more than one person, place and thing. And what to do if we add s or es to make that noun plural? So does the meaning of that noun change or not? And in some case we have irregular plural form of noun. So that has a totally different word for plural form. So this all thing is described in this unit. So let's start with how to make plural with the help of s. See, most of the nouns become plural when we add s with at the end of that word. So generally we have this idea that how to, if someone will ask you that how to make a plural noun, so you have that idea that by adding s at the end of the word will make it plural. So the first rule for that is the same. We make plural form of any noun by adding s at the end of the word, or you can say at the end of the noun. It means, suppose we have here one word pen and we want to make this word plural, so we'll add pens. Or we have pencil, so we'll add our plural, we have queen word which is given in your textbook. So it becomes queens by adding s. We have castle. It means place. It is a name of place where king used to stay. So castle we add s to make it plural. After that we have king and it becomes kings. So let me explain this. See, here we add only s, here also and here and here. So this way we made these words in plural form. So here we are talking about only one pen, that's why we used without s, and here we are talking about more than one pen, so we have s. Here we have queen, so we are talking about only one queen, that's why we have used here this word without s. But here we are talking about more than one queen, that's why we make it plural using s. So this way the rule number 1 is we can make a plural form of noun just by adding s at the end of the word or noun. This is the rule number 1. Now moving forward to rule number 2. How to make plural noun using another way, and the rule is second rule is the words which and with ch, sh, double s, single s, x, z, take, es at the end of it, for plural. So the second rule we got is the words which and with ch, sh, double s, s, x or z take es at the end of the plural form. Don't forget to remember this word es. See, in first rule we have discussed that generally we put s to make it plural. Now in second rule we are talking about the words which and with ch, sh, double s, s, x and z. So what to do with this kind of words? So we have to put es to make this word plural. So if you want to make this kind of words ending with this blue colored letter, we have to put es at the end of that. See, let me give you examples so it will be more clear to you. So the examples, first I will write. First is which, dress. Another examples, I'll give you more example as in your book. Only 2 examples are given. March, lunch, dish, box, bus, church, tax. See, now we'll make this word plural using es. So first of all, you need to notice that. Let's notice that if these all words ended with sh, ch, double s, x or z or not. So yes, we have ch here, we have s, double s, we have s, we have sh, ch, sh, x. So it means this all will be plural using es. So let's do that. So plural form of which is we have added here es. Plural form of dress is already added as here. Plural form of bus is buses. Plural form of march is marches. Here churches. Here dish, box and tax. So how to make it plural? We have sh, x and tax. So plural form is dishes, boxes, taxes. See, you have to note down this thing in your fair book. You have to make a grammar book along with this book. See, you have this book with you, but in this book sufficient information is not given. Some rules are not given. That's why I am writing here this all the examples with different kinds of rule. So you have to make a notebook for English grammar, and this all should be written in that notebook. This book is not sufficient for your GE preparation. So I request you to make a different notebook for GE rules. So in that notebook you have to write all the examples, as in your G book 1 or 2 examples are given. See, which is, so here we have added es, dresses, es we have added, buses, here marches, lunches, churches, dishes, boxes and taxes. So this way we made these words plural form. Here we are talking about only one box, and while we added es here it becomes plural. So here now we are talking about more than one box. The same thing happened with these all the words. Now moving forward to rule number 3. And rule number 3 is, if we have words ending with f or fe, so what to do when we want to make those words plural? So the simple idea we have, if you want to make those kind of words plural, just add ves. That is the third rule. for nouns ending with f or fe, we use VES to make them plural. So what to do with the words ending with F or FE to make it plural? So you just need to add VES while you find words ending with F or FE. Okay? Examples, let me give you examples. Wife, calf, leaf, life, knife, wolf. So these 6 are, and the last one is thief. First, let's check whether these words are ended with F or FE. So here we have FE, here we have F, again F, FE, FE, F and F. So these whole word will make we will make these words plural using VES. So wives. So cows, leaves, lives, knife, wolves, thieves. So this way we made this plural. Okay. So one thing we did with these words. Can you identify or can you recognize which one thing we did? So when we added VES with these words, if you have noticed, we removed F or FE to make it plural. So there is one rule you need to remember for this is, that rule is, when we add VES with this kind of noun, remove F or FE. So when you add VES with in place of FE or F, you need to remove F and FE. See, no, you can't say that. See, here we have wife word, suppose. So you can't say, this is wrong. You need to remove FE or F while you use VES to make plural. This is rule number 3. Now rule number 4. So the rule number 4 is when we find any noun or any word ending with consonant plus y, at that time we add ies to make it plural. So the next or fourth number rule is when we have nouns ending with a consonant plus y, we use ies to make them plural. See, so here in this what you should remember is this part, consonant plus y and ies. So let's write this kind of words, and we have baby, puppy, berry, army, so here we have these 4 words, baby, puppy, berry, army. Okay, so let's check whether this rule is applicable to these words or not. So here we have y, that is okay, and here we have consonant sound. Consonant sound means which are not vowels. We have 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So these are called vowels. So accept this. If you find any letter or any sound in with y, so that takes ies to make it plural. Here also we have p and y. Here we have r and y. Here we have m and y. So let's make it plural. So another rule you need to remember is while you add ies, at that time you need to remove y. In that we remove f or fe in third rule. In fourth rule you need to remove y if you use ies. So if baby becomes babies when you make it plural. Puppy becomes puppies when you make it plural. Berry becomes berries, and army becomes armies. So the rule we get from this is remove y from the noun when you add ies at the end of the noun. So this rule we get, remove y from the noun when you add ies at the end of the noun to make it plural. So this is rule number 4. Now we are going for rule number some nouns have irregular form in plural. It means in this kind of irregular nouns, you no need to add as, es, ies or anything. It has their own plural noun. So, no need to add any kind of suffixes to make it plural. So, which are those words? Those words are child, person, mouse, man, woman, foot, tooth, goose. These are the noun. Now we'll make it plural. See, no need to add any suffix. So here the plural form of child is children. Person becomes people when it becomes plural. Mouse becomes mice. We can't say mouses. Here man becomes man. Here only you need to change E. Here woman become women. See, it is not woman, it is women. Foot becomes feet, tooth becomes teeth, and goose becomes geese. These are the plural irregular form of noun. This black is singular and these blue words are plural. So this is our rule number 5. Some nouns have irregular form in plural and those are child, person, mouse, man, woman, foot, tooth, goose. There are still we have many like this, but these are just example for you. Now moving forward to rule number 6. Rule number 6 is, see, we have many words in English grammar or in English language which remain same when we make it plural. So, there is no change in that words when you use those words as a plural. So, which are those words? Those are, so let me write first rule. In English, we have some words or you can say some nouns which remain same in the use of plural. It means whether you use them as a singular, whether you use them as a plural, those remain same. No change of any single letter you will find in this kind of words. And what are those words? So those words are fish, sheep, aircraft, deer, swine, moves. No change while using these words in plural. So no change while using these words in plural means these are called some word which doesn't need any kind of as, es or any kind of suffixes to make it plural. So these are the 6 rules which are given in your textbook and which you need to remember and you need to note down in your notebook. Now we'll go for the exercise which we have the same kind of exercise we have done in unit 1. So we'll do that here also. Here I am with your book and I am on page number 12. Page number 12, unit 2, nouns, numbers. And the instruction we are talking about focused exercise A. The instruction is write the plurals of following nouns. So some nouns are given. I am writing here. One is mango, second is fisherman, third is scarf, fourth is tooth, number 5 is butterfly, number 6 is torch. So now we'll make it plural. How to make? Now you all have rules. So first is mango and this word is ended with O. So the plural form of is mangoes. We have added es here. Second is fisherman. So we'll change here only. So it becomes fisherman. It's F-E-N. Number 3 is scarf. It is ended with F. So we'll remove that F and we added here that V-E-S. So the answer is remember you need to remove F. Tooth, we have teeth. Here we have butterflies as we have here Y and with consonant. Torch, CH we have, so we add IES. ES. So torches we have in plural. So this way we have added suffixes as per rule. Here we have ES, we add E, here ES, teeth, butterflies and torches. This is focus exercise A. Now moving forward to another exercise, that is practice exercise A, and that exercise is on page number 13. Exercise A. Here I have that book on page number 13. Let me read it. use the nouns given in bracket in their plural form. Here blanks are given and we have to use plural form of nouns using those bracket words. So I am writing that all blank enjoyed the lesson today, and in bracket child is given. Number 2 is the blank are flying to the south, and in bracket goose word is given. Number 3 is my blank are white and healthy, and hand word is given. Number 4 is she bought 4 blank from the airport shop in Dubai, and in bracket it is given watch. Number 5 is, number 5 I will write after that. First we will discuss these. See, here child word is given in first, so we have children to make it plural. Second is goose, so we have geese to make it plural. Hand, we have hands, and here we have ch here, so we'll add watches because we have ch here. So this way we make this blank plural. Now number 5 is remaining. Number 5 is most basketball players in our team are more than 6 blank tall, and it is given foot. Foot is given. So we have the plural form of foot, that is feet. So this is the answer of number 5. So this is for today. Extension exercise A will do in next session. Now it is time to give you homework. See, extension exercise A requires more time and more information. So that will be discussed in next session, in next video. The homework for today is write 10 words or nouns with their plural forms using different